Hello, puppets.
Hello.
You've been here at Cov Bay Puppet Camp, haven't you, for the last few days?
Yes.
Have you been having fun?
Yes.
Cool. I know I have. I've been filming with a bunch of the campers. And it's pretty cool. So, with being a Covenant Bay Bible Camp, there are lots of fun activities. What were your guys' favorite activities?
Friday.
Rip and ride? That's pretty cool.
Jumping on water trampoline.
Jumping on the water trampoline during free time? That's pretty cool. You too? That is pretty fun.
I love water trampoline.
Okay. What is your favorite meal so far?
Spaghetti.
I think it's pronounced spaghetti, but that's cool too. What about you two over there? Pancakes? Awesome, awesome. You like the spaghetti too? That's pretty cool. So, who's your guys' favorite staff member?
Me. Granny.
You?
Granny.
Randy. Oh, that's cool.
Me.
Well,
I love me.
let's see. What else have people done at Covenant Bay Bible Camp over the summer? Can you guys think of anything?
Nope. We've done chapel.
Chapel. Yes, chapel's been pretty cool. That Dr. Brian Stein fellow is quite a guy, isn't he?
Yeah.
That experiment yesterday was pretty crazy.
Elephant toothpaste and it exploded everywhere.
Yeah, that was.
When he made the ice cream.
Yeah, the ice cream was pretty good.
After